Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Author Books Reader. And today I'm going to review the book She Swiped Right Into My Heart by Sudeep Nagarkar. Sudeep Nagarkar is an Indian novelist and writer of fiction. His first novel, Few Things Left Unsaid, was published by Srishti Publishers in 2011. Till 2015, 9 novels authored by him have been published. He is the recipient of the 2013 Youth Achievers Award for writing for being one of the highest selling writers in India in romance genre. His book It Started With a Friend Request, most popular fiction book of 2013 according to Amazon India. So this book is a fiction book and it is published by Random House India in 2016. The book consists of total 226 pages. This is my first book review in the romance section. A brief summary of the book. So the story is about 4 friends, Vivan, Tushita, Shibani and Geet. Rudra is another main character of the story. Tushita and Shibani both are sisters. The story flows with the incidences happening in each one of their life and how they help each other to come out from that situations. The story shows the process of how 2 strangers and how 2 friends fall in love with each other. It also shows the power of friendship and how it helped them to heal eventually. The characters are well defined and really make the reader relate with them easily. It shows to what extent a friendship can go to make someone feel better. If you are a girl reading this book, you will definitely be touched by some of the characters, because some character portrayed the characteristics of a man which every girl needs. However, a guy will definitely love this book too. You will feel the romance in depth as you will read the book. By turning every pages, you will enter into a new world of love and friendship. The story flows nicely and you can actually connect with the flow. The writing style is brilliant with the actual touch of emotion and expression attached to it. The author has made great justice with the plot and characters. The language is simple with sweet humor and laugh. Now my favorite line from the book is, "The best feeling in the world is that your friends love you just the way you are and wouldn't change anything about you." So this line is on page number 65. Do let me know your favorite line from the book in the comments down below if you go for this one. Now coming to my recommendation, I recommend this book to beginners and someone who love books in romance category, as well as to someone who like romantic fiction. If you are looking for a mix of love, friendship, romance, hatred, joy, fun, true love, emotions, acceptance and humor, then this is a perfect choice. Now let me read the blurb of the book. If you never had friends, you never really lived. Geet, one of the most unpopular girl in college, is best friend with a beautiful and sought after Shibani. To win the popularity vote, Geet takes the help of college hottie Rudra, who agrees to act as her boyfriend. He sees an opportunity to get closer to Shibani. Little does he know that Shibani has been harboring feelings for someone else all along. As misunderstandings and jealousies take center stage, Geet must make a decision that will affect not just her own life, but also those of her loved ones. She Swept Right Into My Heart is a story about love, gain and loss, and the healing power of friendship. So this ends the review. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more details, check the description box down below. See you soon in the next one. Bye bye and keep reading.